Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. With the PNP's loss in the Portland Eastern by-election still fresh in the minds of many, a political commentator says the president of the party, Dr. Peter Phillips, should start planning his retirement. Speaking on RJR's That's a Wrap program, Martin Henry adds that the process should include a successor.
A political leader, however accomplished, and Peter Phillips is extraordinarily accomplished as a minister, who cannot bring home the election victory, which takes the party to government, is not going to be very useful to the party as leader.
The PNP held the Portland Eastern seat for 30 years, but was defeated last Thursday by the JLP's Anne-Marie Vaz, a newcomer to politics. The PNP has now lost 2 parliamentary seats since the general elections in 2016. For political commentator Orville Johnson, Member of Parliament for South St. Andrew and opposition spokesman on finance Mark Golding is a possible candidate for the presidency of the PNP.
Certainly Mark Golding is going to emerge. He certainly came out of the budget debate looking good. The question will arise that he is going to be one of those persons we'll look at and should look at, because, like I said, I don't think the party has more than about a year.